Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how automation and artificial intelligence are changing the work environment through visual examples presented in YouTube videos. In a nutshell, we look at how these videos clearly and accessibly explain the impact of AI in different sectors, from manufacturing to finance to healthcare. We will analyze the featured videos that offer practical and educational insights into the power of automation, helping us to better understand how these technologies transform work. If you are interested in seeing real-world examples and learning from best practices in automation, this video is for you. In the BBC News video, we see how artificial intelligence and collaborative robots known as cobots are transforming manufacturing. It highlights how cobots work alongside human employees to optimize production and reduce defects. In factories at BMW and Siemens, AI systems analyze sensor data in real time to adjust manufacturing processes, improving product quality and increasing production speed. This video is an excellent resource for understanding how automation improves both operational tasks and management decisions. This CNBC documentary looks at how AI is changing employee expectations and company strategies. It shows how automation is being applied in sectors such as retail and financial services, using chatbots and RPA to reduce manual workloads. The video highlights the impact of AI on customer service and strategic decision-making, allowing employees to focus on higher-value tasks. Tech Insider's video examines how Amazon has led the adoption of AI in the retail sector, using algorithms for inventory management and personalization of the shopping experience. It shows how robots automate product picking and shipping processes, reducing over-inventory and improving efficiency in the supply chain. This video is a great example of how automation can free up time for employees to focus on strategic activities. The video provides insight into how AI is improving medical diagnosis through machine learning. We see how algorithms analyze thousands of medical images to identify patterns that the human eye might miss, speeding up the diagnostic process. Hospitals that have implemented these AI systems have improved diagnostic accuracy and reduced the workload of radiologists, showing the positive impact of automation in the healthcare sector. In this TEDx talk, the concept of digital twins and their application in Industry 4.0 is explained. It shows how companies such as Siemens and General Electric use virtual replicas to simulate the behavior of equipment and systems, allowing to predict failures and optimize performance. This video is essential to understand how automation and simulation impact strategic planning and operational efficiency at the management level. The Financial Times presents an analysis of how AI is being used in banking to improve the efficiency of operations, from fraud detection to risk management. It highlights how AI algorithms can identify suspicious patterns and prevent fraud before it becomes a threat, improving security and customer satisfaction. This video is a valuable resource for understanding the impact of automation in the financial sector. Here is a summary of how these videos illustrate the impact of automation at different levels of the organization, improving operational efficiency and freeing up time for higher-value tasks. These examples show how AI and automation are powerful tools for transforming work and improving business competitiveness. If you want to implement AI and automation in your organization to optimize resources and improve efficiency, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. I'll help you develop a strategy that maximizes your company's potential. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.